Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel Mission Net Physics Exam. And guys, today in this video, I am going to provide you the step-by-step guide to use the remaining days before the GATE exam, which will help you to just be ready for the upcoming exam and to score good marks and good rank as well. And as you all will be familiar with this thing that in the last video I have talked about the 10 must to prepare topics for the GATE physics exam. So if you are the one who has not watched that video, you can check it out on the channel Mission Net Physics Exam and you can get to know about all those 10 must to prepare topics for the upcoming GATE exam. Now in today's video, we are going to talk about this thing that what exactly you can do, what strategy you can follow, because most of you were asking about it, like in the remaining days how we can use our time and so that we will be able to cover up many topics, and even if our preparation till now it's not gonna be good, we will be able to still manage, okay, to score good and to maintain a good rank. So I'm gonna tell you something very important which I hope will be helpful for most of you. Keep on watching this video till the end so that you will not miss any of these important points which I will cover up in this video right now. So if I'm going to talk about the first thing, now as most of you will be familiar with the topics you need to prepare and you are going to prepare, which you have considered that okay, these are the topics I need to focus more and all. Then even today in the evening I have taken one live session regarding this, that what are the other topics even you can include, okay, and you can prepare them too. So if you have attended that session, that's good. If you have not attended that session and if you want to watch it, in the community tab of this channel, that is Mission Net Physics Exam, you will have the link of that video, okay, and you can check it out. Clear? Or in Unacademy learning app, what you can do, you can search Anjali Arora directly and you will get my profile there. In the profile, you will have a special classes section, which are the free live classes. Every one of you can watch them. You will have that session present, okay, and you can watch it. Now, let's talk about the strategy you can follow, which you can follow in the remaining days, and you will be able to improve your preparation. You will be able to have a good preparation after that. So the first thing you need to do is that you can mention the topics you are going to complete in the remaining days, or you want to complete basically. So top 10 or the 10 must to prepare topics which I have mentioned in the last video, if you have not completed any one of them, you should try to consider them first, okay, and just note it down. Along with that, if you have watched the other session I have conducted today, in which not only just 10 topics, I have included even more topics from almost all the subjects I have talked about it. So if you want to cover up rest of the topics too, what you will do, you will just note down those topics in a notebook, okay, on I think one single page you will be able to note down just the topic name easily. Clear? From all the subjects you can do that. Now once you have noted down all the topics, that means you are having the list of topics with you, clear, which you want to cover, which you will cover in the remaining days, okay. So list of topics should be there. Just prepare it if you have not prepared it yet, okay. Now what you need to do, your second step will be that you need to go through one by one. Just start from the first most important topic and go through that topic and just devote 15 minutes approximately, and 15 minutes will be the maximum time you can consider for that particular topic completion. Then you will say, okay, how just in 15 minutes I can complete the topic. I know it will not be like a completion along with the theory part and all, but what you need to do in those 15 minutes, I'm going to tell you. Even it can reduce to, like, you can consider 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 7 minutes, 8 minutes, like that, or max to max 15 minutes. Okay. So 15 minutes is the maximum time, but if you can complete it in even less time, it's up to you, and that's very good too. Because in your upcoming GATE exam, approximately, let's say there are 8 days. Okay. So if there are 8 days, what you need to do, you will have to consider the things in a quick manner so that you will be able to cover up most of the things and even you will get time to revise them. So 15 minutes, okay, you will devote for one particular topic. Maximum, this is the maximum time. Clear? But what you will do in this time, let me just tell you. You will have to just go through quickly that what are the formulae in that topic, what are the conditions, and just go through the topic once. Okay, this is what you need to do. So go through the topic, formulae, conditions, tricks if you are having any, or if you are having any reference book, it's okay. Just go through the topics like the formulae, or the get to know what are the subtopics there, what are the main headings you are going to have in that particular chapter or the topic, like whatever you are going to go through. Done. And just observe the things first. Clear? And after knowing about them, because once you are going to go through that particular topic, you will have some idea about it. Now in the third step, what you will do, just start solving the previous year questions from that particular topic. At a time you will consider one topic only, complete it in this manner. Okay, then do the previous year questions. Okay, and this is how, when you are doing the previous year questions, here you can devote 3 hours if you want, as per the number of questions you will find in the previous years. And when you are starting to complete one particular topic in this manner, as I am telling you right now, if possible, you should also check out the previous year questions, because if you are completing any topic and at the end when you will start solving the previous year questions and you are finding just few of them, not many, so you will feel like, okay, it's not that much important, it's not that many times it has been asked. Clear? So it's better that in the first step, when you are deciding that okay, this topic I'm going to consider right now, please go through the previous year questions too if possible. Okay, and get an idea that how many number of questions are there. So that's how you will even get to know about the most important one, and you will have more and more practice questions. And when you are doing the previous year questions, if you have completed the GATE exam questions from that particular topic, you can even go for the NET exam questions if you are not confident and you want to solve them. Or you can just have a sticky note, and wherever you are completing that topic, please do it in a systematic manner. That means in a notebook, just devote some pages for that part. So what you can do, wherever you are going to stop, let's say after completing 15 questions at a time, and all the questions which will be from the previous years, they will be of different type of questions. Okay, something has been given, some other thing has been asked in a question, some other thing has been asked in another question. So that's how you will have different type of problems, that means the questions, the numericals, and you will even be able to observe the conditions corresponding to them. That's how you will become more confident when you will keep on solving those previous year questions. And I was saying that you should devote some time in the third step, which means how to devote the time, which means observe, analyze, and understand. So you need to consider the observation first, that okay, what they are asking, what we need to do, then analyze what has been done. If you were considering, you were thinking about it, was it correct, was it wrong, what was like actually you need to do and all. So analysis will be important after that. And the understanding, you need to even consider this part, that are you getting what you are doing? Clear? If yes, that's good. You are getting ready, you are getting prepared for the upcoming exam. Clear? So this is how, if you will keep on completing one and other topic one by one, you will have a clear idea about all those topics and you will be more confident about it. Now the point is, sometimes students are gonna have one thing in mind, that okay, since we are gonna get more and more time, and this time basically the GATE exam is gonna be as per the last years we are gonna have at the same time. Okay, till now we are just having that information about it. So there is no such change in the you can say GATE exam timing, or the time you have got from before, like after the previous exam and before this one. So there is no such big change for the GATE exam particularly. So you can consider that even when you are going to consider the previous year questions, if the question is not exactly same as one particular question, but when you are doing the last 10 years, last 5 years, last 15 years questions, even by combining those concepts, even by combining those ideas, by considering them together, if the question is going to be difficult in the exam, you will be able to manage and you will be able to solve that question too. So I hope you are getting that point. Okay, if you have not done anything yet related to any particular topic, which is even very important, at least in this manner you are doing something, you are completing something. So do it firstly, or first of all, instead of thinking about some random things, having some random thoughts about the exam or the type of questions, at least try to cover up some portion in this manner. Done? And after you will complete it, after you are confident about your level of preparation, that means the number of topics you have completed, then you can go for the rest of the things, the other things too. But at least just try to be at a stable level by completing the most important topics first, and I hope it's gonna be helpful for all of you. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video till this point, and I hope you got all the points I have considered till now. The another information I would like to tell you here will be related to the Unacademy Iconic subscription. So guys, on Unacademy Iconic subscription, like if you will take the Unacademy Iconic subscription, you will get all these benefits as they have been mentioned here. The personal coach will be there, study planner you will have, the study booster sessions will be there, dedicated doubt clearing sessions you will have, okay, preparatory study material, unlimited practice, structured courses, SOP and interview preparation you will be able to do, and all these things have been mentioned in detail here. Also guys, along with these benefits, whatever benefits a learner is gonna get in the Plus subscription, all the benefits you will even get in the Unacademy Iconic subscription. So along with these benefits of the Plus subscription, all these benefits you are even gonna have in the Iconic subscription, the other benefits. So if you are the one who is thinking like whether the Plus subscription or the Iconic subscription, which one you want to take, so I will tell you something about the Plus subscription first. See, when you take the Plus subscription, you will be able to attend the live classes by all the top educators we are having on Unacademy Plus for your upcoming CSIR NET and GATE exams preparation. Okay. Along with that guys, you will be able to attempt the mock test once you will take the Plus subscription. Okay, you will be able to like you can say the test series, the unlimited practice, and the well structured and well planned courses are gonna be there. So these the first 4 benefits are there in the Plus subscription. While if I'm going to talk about the Iconic subscription, the other benefits which you can even see they are mentioned below, they are the benefits you will get in the Iconic subscription along with the Plus subscription benefits. Clear? So this is the difference. Now you can decide it which one you want to consider, and whenever you are going to take the subscription, you can even use and apply the referral code, which is Anjali Arora as mentioned here. Okay, no space in between, spelling should be same. That's how you need to write it and apply it, and you will get the 10% discount in the total subscription amount. Also guys, one more thing, I have recently conducted so many special classes on the Unacademy learning app. So what you can do, even if you want to attend or you want to watch those sessions too, you can check the community tab of this channel as well right now. Or you can do one more thing, that in Unacademy learning app, you can search my name there in the CSR UGC NET category. That will be Anjali Arora, and you will be able to get my profile there. In the special classes section in the profile, when you will open the profile, there will be the special classes section. You can check out the free live classes, and you can use the code Anjali Arora to join the free live sessions too. So if you are someone who is gonna join, who is gonna attend the free live session for the first time, then again you need to use a code there, okay, to join the session and all. So to join the free live session also the same code will be working, and that is Anjali Arora as mentioned here. No space in between, spelling should be same. That's how you need to write it and apply it. And even when you are taking the Unacademy Plus or Unacademy Iconic subscription, the same referral code will work and will give you the 10% discount in the total subscription amount. So you can write it and apply it at the same time. Also guys, if you are new on this channel, that is Mission Net Physics Exam, then you can even subscribe this channel to watch more such important videos. And I hope this information which I have discussed with you today will be clear and will help you to prepare and to use the remaining days well for your upcoming GATE exam. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video till the end. We will keep on having so many important sessions on this channel, so many important videos, and the topic discussion we will do on this channel, that is Mission Net Physics Exam. So keep on watching the videos, don't miss any of the videos. Even you can share the videos with your friends if the videos are helping you. I think they can even help you, your friends too, those who are preparing for the NET or the GATE exam. Thank you so much everyone for joining this session. Thank you, and for watching this session till the end. Thank you.